Hello everyone, this is a question of para-jumbles odd one out from verbal ability section CAT 25 slot 1. 5 sentences, one is going to be the odd one out, it means it is not going to be the part of the paragraph. The Bayard tapestry was therefore an obvious way to tell people about the downfall of the English and the rise of the Normans. So in this line, basically we are talking about the Bayard tapestry and the purpose of this tapestry. And what is the purpose? Basically telling a story about the downfall of the English and the rise of the Normans. Sentence 2. So, if we take expert in Anglo-Saxon culture, Gail Owen Crocker's idea that the tapestry was originally hung in a square with certain scenes facing each other, people would have stood in the center. So, this sentence talks about the tapestry's original display, that how it was displayed originally. Sentence 3. Art historian Linda Neagle has argued that the pre-Renaissance people interacted with art visually, kinesthetically, and physically. And this sentence talks about the how people interacted with art. What were the ways of interacting with art? And those ways were visual, kinesthetic, and physical. Sentence 4. That would make it an 11th century immersive space with scenes corresponding and echoing each other, drawing the viewer's attention, playing on their senses and understanding of the story they thought they knew. This sentence talks about the immersive experience. Immersive experience means when multiple senses are there and people they start feeling that they are the part of that particular environment. Okay, and where that environment was created over here. All right, the Bayard tapestry would have been hung at eye level to enable this. Now, as this is coming, so this stands for what and what we are enabling. So, after reading all the paragraphs, I can infer this thing that 3 is going to be the starting statement. Why? Because here we are talking about the interaction and we are enabling that interaction through this particular sentence, because this sentence talks about the display of tapestry at a certain height that facilitates this interaction. Okay, so 3 is going to be the first statement. After 3 it is going to be the fifth one. Okay, and after fifth it is going to be the second sentence. The reason is here we are talking about the original display of the tapestry. Okay, so we have created certain environment. All right, so it is going to be 2. And after 2 it is going to be 4, because it talks about the immersive experience related to this particular environment. So 3, 5, 2, 4 makes the sequence, and the odd one out is going to be 1. Why? Because apart from the first sentence which talks about the purpose of Bayard tapestry, rest of the sentences they are talking about the physical display and the viewer interaction. Therefore 1 is going to be odd one out. I hope you have understood. Thank you.